All right, so we just looked at some of Gregor Mendel's work. Let's start putting things together and see how um, his work affects the cells and inheritance in general. In 1903, this man here, his name is Walter Sutton, and he's pretty much going to sit around, he's going to wonder how sex cells form. We looked at mitosis, which formed body cells, but sex cells are a little different. Um, Sutton's hypothesis is that chromosomes were the key to understanding how offspring have traits similar to those of their parents. So it all happens in this chromosome. So here's a little diagram of a chromosome that you should probably get down in your notes. The whole structure is a chromosome. Each individual side is an identical copy of it called a chromatid. Your genes go across your chromosomes like such, as you can see, a little blue part. Each gene on your genes, you have those two alleles that we discussed, and they are connected by a centromere, which holds them together. He's going to say that offspring are going to have traits similar to their parents because they have a copy of this chromatid. So he's going to look in grasshoppers. Grasshoppers have a body cells have 24 chromosomes, and therefore their sex cells are going to have half of that, which is interesting for him because he's going to realize that half are going to come from one parent and the other half will come from the other. So body cells in grasshopper have 24 chromosomes, but their sex cells, their sperm and egg cells, only have 12. The idea is that when you fertilize these sperm and egg, when they meet and they conceive an offspring, you're going to get 12 chromosomes from the sperm, 12 chromosomes from the egg, and you're going to produce a cell that has those 24 chromosomes. That cell, in return, is going to go through mitosis and keep dividing until it specializes cells and gets mature enough to start producing its own sex cells. So remember your alleles, right? You're going to get one from the male and one from the female. And Sutton found alleles are carried on chromosomes. So what this is going to happen is that this is going to lead to the chromosome theory of inheritance. So Sutton is going to found it. His main purpose of it, or its main topic, is going to be that alleles are carried on chromosomes and that you're going to get one from the female and one from the male. So again, here's your chromosome theory of inheritance all wrapped up into one. This is our chromosome. Remember our different parts. And we remember that genes are carried from parents to their offsprings on chromosomes. What is going to be known for making sex cells is meiosis. This is not to be confused with mitosis, which we looked at in the chapter before. Meiosis is the process that occurs in the formation of sex cells. So how do you get more sex cells? If you're a male, that's your sperm cells. If you're a female, that's your egg cells. And through the process of meiosis, our chromosomes are going to be reduced by half.